Good morning. I will prepare the Amrati fruit cake. I have a strawberry.
What are you going to do with the strawberry?
I will make a flower. Hello friends, today I am making the cream tart. Cream tart is so tasty and so creamy. This is the grapes and apple, some dry fruit, and this is the banana and cream. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm making coconut jelly. It's healthy, make you protein, give you strong.
I'm going to make tacos today. This is the ingredients I have. First, I'm going to take the tacos chapati. Then put the chicken.
Very good.
Now some leaf.
Leaves.
Hello everybody. This is a rabbit sandwich. It has white bread, brown bread, cucumber, tomato, carrot and vinegar.